Colby Ag Tech is brought to you by Green Eye Technology. Spray less, grow more with Green Eye's targeted spraying system. Early bird pricing is available now through August 31st. Go to greeneye.com to learn more. If you're like me, you've seen more spray drones out and about this year. Well, so has Chad Colby.
Sprayer drones are no longer a novelty, that's for sure. This year, I've seen more of them working locally than ever before, and I'm not talking about demonstrations either. I'm talking about doing real application work. So what has changed? First, the machines have gained capacity. Today's larger spray drones can carry more product, cover more acres, and operate more efficiently than earlier models. I would tell you, though, the biggest change may be the operators. Over the past several years, farmers and commercial applicators have learned where this technology works and, most importantly, where it doesn't. They've improved everything from field planning, battery management, refill times, and the application techniques. The operators you're seeing in this video today are good examples. The previous one I showed you was a commercial operator. This is a farmer who used a drone exclusively on all their acres this year. Most importantly, though, both are in their second season of using spray drones, giving them enough experience to move beyond the learning curve and make this technology part of their regular operations. Spray drones aren't going to replace every ground rig or airplane, that's for sure, but their values in situations where timing, field conditions, and even conventional application can be difficult. They can treat smaller fields, irregular areas, wet areas without any crop damage or soil compaction. They can also help when demand isn't high for the application window that is often very short. One thing I would tell you, over the last several years, sprayer drones have been a hot topic at farm shows. And with the Farm Progress Show right around the corner, one of the best things about the Farm Progress Show are those important field demonstrations. We all love seeing the equipment out in the field, but again, at this year's show, the drone zone will be a very popular place, and you can bet I'll be spending some time there myself. For This Week in Agribusiness, I'm Chad Colby.
Thank you, Chad. I think spray drones are here to stay. And folks, if you're